When I think about smoothness, I think something that is refined and elegant. I don't like it if it's too overcomplicated or too flashy. I like it to have like a quiet luxury feel to it. It should be sophisticated through its simplicity. I like to get inspiration from things like the environment, the nature, sometimes even the weather. So the idea from the mold came from obviously the environment. We have the sea here in Strömstad, right by the hotel, and sometimes a drop in the water can be like a ripple effect, which the mold kind of looks like. And also I wanted to bring the aspect of wind and things like tornadoes, which isn't really in the area where I'm at, but also the idea that I like. So the idea came from bringing these two elements into one mold. SILIKOMART have been a really great company to work with over the years, and also really fun to work with. I remember when they first contacted me to do a masterclass with them, which I didn't think I could do, and from that now it's led into doing masterclasses all over the world. Of course, there's also the mold aspect to it, which I get creativity from, and to be able to have an idea in my head and work with their design team and they make it into real life is amazing. They're a really fun company to work with, and their staff are super professional and always a pleasure to work with.